Good afternoon, my dear students. So welcome to our RVNN classes. Yes, students. Yes, in today I will teach this that is same chapter fifth fraction. So class is fifth standard. So already you know that fifth standard class. So exercise for fifth A. So fifth A in last classes we have discussed up to 1 to 4th means is completed. So the basic concept that is fractions. How many parts of the fractions, types of the fractions. So already in last classes we have discussed it. So students, you don't forget already that is a two parts in a numerator and denominator. The three types is a like and unlike. So what is the meaning of the like fractions means that is a denominator the same. We have given the denominator is same, there is a like fractions. So given that the denominator is different, so that is a unlike fractions. So after this, that is a proper, improper, and mixed. So already I told one examples. So that in today classes, so that applied. So just you have to recall the multiplication, the properties of the multiplications and division. But in today classes, we have applied that properties of multiplications. Yesterday already I solved some exercises. In today classes, so that is fifth main. So fifth main instruction students, you have to open the page number, that is the 71 page number of students. So page number 71. So each main two questions I will solve. So remaining questions I will give to today's, that I will give to homework students. So because that is the more syllabus how to for hours in our syllabus. So I will solve in each mains into two questions. Okay. So can you observe? Students want the first main, so that is fourth main, that is a simplify. So given it simplify. So fourth main. Students, can you observe this? Now, what is this main means? That is a simplified. So given questions, students know that what is the meaning of the proper fractions mean? There is a proper fraction, so that is compared to whole. So that is a more than opposite. Denominator is more, so numerator is less. You have to get the example of the proper fraction. In example of an improper fractions means the denominator is given to that more number. So that is 8 by 2. So this is the example of the improper. So in a mixed, already I told that is how to example of the mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 2. Student, this is example of, because this is whole, so this is an example, this is improper. So that is a mixed means that is a, so whole and proper, so that is called, that is a mixed fraction. So this is example of the mixed fraction. Students, in simplified questions what 2 whole 1 by 2, so into 4 whole 3 by 6 into 1, so is equal to dash. Students, so that is, can you observe? So question students, so this question is given a mixed fraction. Mixed fractions given means you have to convert the improper fraction. How students? So first I will show you in short methods. So first step to what students? In first step is two number you have to multiple. Of multiple that answer you have to plus. That is the rule. What? So 2 into 2. So plus 1. What is that? Denominator 2 plus. Here what students? This is multiple. So 6 into 4 plus 3. Because not here plus. So by denominator is 6 into 1. Sorry, here into, yes. So next steps. So first steps I will show to traditional method. Complete I will show to. Next problems I will show to in a shortcut method, students. Okay. So can you? So first steps what, students? First two numbers I will multiple that. 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2 that is a 4. 4 plus 1 close the bracket by 2. So into 6 4 is 24 plus 3 by 6. So into 1, so by 1. Students, can you observe here? So 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into, so 24 plus 3, 27 by 6 into 1 by 1. Students, can you observe here this question? So now, students, one is given means by means you have to take for one. That is already I told. Not given the value means you have to consider there that is the value is one. Okay. So next question. So first students, next you have to multiply. So first you have to search in cross multiplication not because they are given to that odd number. So now you have to multiply 5 into 7 into 1. So 27 into 5, 35 into 10, 13, 135. So 135 into 1, 135. Complete I multiple 5 into 27, 5 into 27, that is the value is 135. 135 into 1, that is 135. Yes. So next 5 2 is sorry 6 2 6 is 12, 12 1 is 1. Yes, what is the student? That is a value is 135 by 12. The value means 135, 135 12 means students. So next question. $27 535, that is 10 30 135 by 12. 12 ones are 12. So 130 here 1 here 0 after taking 15 again. So 12 ones are 12. So remaining 14. Students, can you observe this? So this is not a concern. This is the old 11 whole 3 by 12. This is 11 whole 3 by 12 is the answers. Yes. So I will multiply that 3 to 135 into 12. So answers is 11 by 11 whole 3 by 12. Students, in this question in fourth main, so 15 B question is different. So remaining questions I will give to by comparing that A and B is some different questions is given. So can you observe in next question? B 14 whole 3 by 9 into 0, 5 whole 1 by 5 into 13 whole 1 by 10. So what is the result? Students, this is answer is 0. Yes, because can you observe students in this question? Here it's 0. Yes, you multiply in any number that you have to multiply in 0 in any number, the result will be 0 because this result is 0. So because we have to first only decide students, first can observe the question. So 0 k means you have to multiply that all numbers, result is 0. So now can you observe students, so first you have to multiply 14 nines are. So 14 nines are 36. So 9 ones are 9, that is 3 plus 2 is 126. 126 plus 3. Students, 14, 9 into 14 plus 3 by 9 into 0. So next 25, 5 5 is 25, 25, 5 into 5 plus 5. So here 5. Next, so 3 into 31 plus 1 by 3. Students, can you observe next? So 126 plus 3. So 139 by 9 into 0, 25, 530 by 5 into 31 3 are. So that is 93 plus 1 94 by 3. Students, can you observe this multiple result, complete result is 0. So again if this is 0 into 30 by 5, the again 0. Again 34 by 94 by 3, then you have to multiply in 0. The result will be 0. So this is what is the answer for 0. Yes, students. So first given the question, can you observe the questions? Some questions you have to solve to direct. upon 2 questions, students. You do so saving for your time. So complete you have to multiple 0, the result will be 0. So already I showed this method. So given to this is a in mixed fraction, I will convert improper. Afterwards, I will multiply that all numbers. Result will be 0. Okay. So next question. Students, the next question what 8 by 3 into 1. 8 by 3 into 1 means 8 by 3 into 1 you are not given 1 is given, so by not given means you have to consider 1. 8 ones are 8, so 1 ones are 1. Result will be 8 by 3. So D question is 7 by 9 into 0. Result will be 0 because it you have to multiple in 0. Here you have to given that multiple symbol into 0 means that result is 0. Okay. So next question. So in fifth main, share the fractions in indicate. So you have to share this types questions already you learned in previous classes. So shaded means first you have to solve the questions. Afterwards you have to share the numbers. Students can observe here in fifth main. Set the fraction. Fractions as indicated. Students can observe this question what? Say the fractions indicate. So question is what, students? Can you observe here A1 question? So given to this, how many parts? 4 parts. So 2 by of 4. Students, first you have to solve this. Of means you have to cancel this multiple by 1. Yes. Here 4 is given but not given to by that value means you have to consider that is the value is 1. So I written that. So 1 by 2 into 4 by 1. So now 1 2 1 4s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Students, you got. So better not to take in cross multiply. 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are. So how many parts, students? In 2 parts. So that you have to share that how many parts. That is the value is 2. So you have to share it 2 parts. So result is what, students? That is 2 is the result because you have to share that 2 parts. So next question. So next question I will show to in C. C is given to different students. So 5 question in C. Students want how many boxes? 5 boxes. So 5 into 5 total 25 boxes. In this diagram, how many boxes? 5 into 5 I have to take, students. In row wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In column wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 into 5, the total is 25. Because how many boxes for here? This is 25 boxes. You have to consider. Okay. So now, what is the question for here? 1 by 5 of 20. So 1 by 5, if half means you have to take that into. So 20. So not given a number, you have to take for that one into cross multiplication students. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 1 into 4. So 1 into 1. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, result is 4. Students, you have to shade the pot is how many pots? That is a 4 pot you have to shade at that. How many pots? 4 pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because given result will be 4 means now to shade it that how many pots? 4 pots. So this is the fifth main. Yes. So I will. I hope that. So we all are understood in first main and second main students because I will explain to clear in step by step. So now I will go to sixth main. So again the simplify. So simplify means in same how to you apply the same rule, students, because again multiple that. So some questions is given that proper, so proper is given some question, improper is given to numbers, some again numbers, improper is mixed given means you have to convert the impropers. Okay, so can you observe in next question, students, in sixth name. So remaining questions I'll give to homework. The sixth name simplify. Students, in question number 8, 2 or 1 by 7 into 10, what is the result? So next question. So in B, 8 by 3 into 1 by 7 into 4 by 5 is equal to dash. Students, can you observe this question? So first steps, this question is, this number is given to mixed. So you have to convert improper. Yes, students, what is the first steps? These two numbers have to multiply. First step, 7 into 2. So this is plus. So plus 1 by 7. So into 10 is next. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 7 into 10. So not given, have to consider that is a 1 value. Students, you know, you have to do cross multiplication not. So that I will have to take. So 150 into 10, 150. Sorry, 15 into 1 and 10, the 150, the 7. So 7 means you have to, you use the division method, students. The division method means, what is the result? So 2 to 14 by 1, 0. So now 7 into 7 by 3. So this is, you have to consider whole number. So you have to write 1, 4, this is a numerator, this is a denominator. So this is answer. But this also correct, you have to simplify here. This is 21 1 3 by 7. Okay, students, so next question. This is very easy in same method. So once again, first steps. So first, if this number caught or not, you first check the number, students. First steps, you have to think that the given the question is that number caught or not. So caughting that caught or not. First, you have to think the first step. See, not means so multiple that first. So because you know 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. Yes. So 7 3s are 21, 21 5s are. So 21 5 you know 105. So 105. So what is that? So 105, 32 by 105. So not that multiple. Because given to one even, one odd, the two numbers not commenting in a particular one table, but you have to multiple. Last is the secondary method means you want to take the multiple. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So 3 7s are 21, 21 5s are 105. So what is the result? 32 by 5. So this is the simplified result, students. Okay. So next question. In this main, so C1, yes, students, is already seen questions types. So before in fourth main B question, so fourth main B question and sixth main C question. You have to match that because the method will be same. Because your students can you observe 15 over 1 by 3 into 1 over 1 by 4 into 0 into 8. You have to 0 the result complete 0. So carefully you have to solve this question. So in the same method, students, that E, F, G and H, that all methods will be same methods. You have to apply that. So now again one question I will explain that F1 question, students. Can you observe in the F question? So remaining questions you solve it in your own. The F question means 4 by 33 into 66 by 7. So into 21 by 2. So what is the result? So can you observe, students? So first you have to write the question into 66 by 7 into 21 by 2. 2. So first you have to, first steps just you have to remember. First steps means you have to observe the numbers. You have to count or not. So cross multiplication. 13 ones are 13. So 33 ones are 33. 33 twos are 66. Yes, students. So what is the steps next? 4 by 1 into 2 by 7 into 21 by 2. Next out you have to count, students. Very easy. So 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Yes. Again 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. What is the result? So here left 4. Here 1. So here 3. So down 1 into 1 into 1. So next, students. So 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So what is the result? 12 is the result. So this is what is the result for this question. Students, this what in F1 question. So result is 12. So you have to solve, students, in mathematics, especially step by step you solve it. Just completely have to come to in a clear answers. Okay. The first, students, 1 second you recall. So the first steps I written in same question. First I observe the numbers. So I will do first in cross multiplication. So 33 ones are 33 twos are 2. So next I written in same, because 4 here left 4. So here left for 1. 4 by 1. Here 2 by 7 I written 2 by 7. Next 21 by 2. So I written 21 by 2. So next again I will do the cross multiplication, because 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So what left for here? I written 4, here left 1, so here remaining for 3, so down 1, here down is 1, so again 3 is 1. I will multiply for the last, the 12 by 1. So 12 by 1 means the result will be 12. Yes. So next, students, the remaining questions will solve to your own. So now I will solve to fill in the blanks in 7th main. So fill in the blanks in 7th main, very easy, because this exercise in 7th main, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Can you observe, students, what 7 by 1 into dash is equal to 1. So B question. Next B question. So 13 by 1 into dash is equal to 1. So next question, what is given in C? Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 12 is dash. Students, very easy. 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 which can you observe? You have to multiply 7 by 1. You have to take the reciprocal numbers, because 1 by 7 you have to take in 7 by 1, because you know 1 sevens are 7. So 7 ones are 7. You know 1 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 1 by 1 result is 1, because, students, what is the number for here? 7 by 1. Because the result is what? 7 by 1. Next. So next is what? You have to take in 13. So 1 by 13. Students, you know 13 by 1 into 1 by 13. 13 ones are 13. 1 13s are 13. So 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. Result what? 1 by 1. So result is 1. So I'll be given that result, because you have to write here. So 1 by 13. 1 by 13 you have to fill up. That is a result is a correct. That is the result is correct. Okay. So what is for here? 1 by 13. Okay. Next you have to observe, students. You are given what? Reciprocal of. Reciprocal of means the 5 by 7. So you have to write in numerator is denominator, denominator is numerator. You have to convert, that is the reciprocal. Because I written 5 by 7. This is the reciprocal. The reciprocal of in 7 by 5, so 5 by 7. Students, don't forget the reciprocal of that 7 by 5, so that is a 5 by 7. Sometime given that, so 6 by 2, how to write the reciprocal means 2 by 6. So that is an example. So next question is given that what the multiple of RU, that is inverse. Inverse means that is given to 21 is. So 21 is means, so I have to take that 1 by 7. Inverse means that is in D1 question 1 by 21, because given the inverse. So next, the multiple inverse of 0. 0 means how to take the not definite. That is, the result is not definite means you have to write in not defined. Because that question is what given students for that even multiple of inverse of 0 is a dash means, so that is a not definite. That is the result. Yes. So again, F and G, H. So is remaining questions I'll give to homework. So I'll solve you two in each mean two questions step by step, students. So these questions first you have to practice it. Afterwards, these remaining questions are in homework questions or remaining questions you will practice for in your home. Okay, students. In today classes, this is completed for that. Fifth A exercise completed. And tomorrow I will continue teach that. So in the fifth exercise 5B. Okay, students, and thank you. So I will come to the next classes.